Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. If you are allergic to chocolate, you might actually be allergic to cockroach allergens. Small amounts of insect fragments are allowed in processed cocoa, which can trigger allergic reactions. This dad designed special shoes to help his paralyzed daughter experience the sensation of walking. If you want someone to agree with you, nod while you are talking. Handwriting creates widespread connectivity in your brain. Modern screens are making everyone dumber by destroying our ancient neural network. Value of love. Two types of people know the real value of love: those who have lost it, those who have never found. If someone looks away first when making eye contact, they find you attractive. Lemon helps clear sugar from the blood. If you want someone to tell the truth, make the person laugh first. India's first river dolphin survey finds over 6,300 dolphins in Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Indus rivers. At Ayan Adventure Hotel in Iceland, guests can request an Aurora wake up call where staff will notify them if the northern lights appear during the night. Around 76% of high performing women receive negative feedback compared to only 2% of high achieving men. Wood frogs can freeze and thaw repeatedly. Sunflower oil is produced by literally squeezing the oil out of the seeds. China stuns the world by developing nuclear drone that can fly forever without needing to land or recharge. It has the world's first tiny atomic energy battery. This tiny turtle looks like it's wearing a sombrero. If you sleep on your stomach a lot, know that you are sad. Japanese locals place water bottles around drunk people to help them rehydrate. Crying a lot helps eyelashes grow. People on their phone appear lazy while people using a laptop appear productive, even though you can do the same things on your phone, and it's actually faster and more productive to use phone for many tasks. People who can raise one eyebrow are more attractive. Meet the Segway. In 1920s, Oscar winner Buster Keaton rides on this shooting prop during the filming of Our Hospitality in 1923. You will not be able to swallow your saliva every second. Greatest lion coalition to ever exist, the mighty Mapogos, the world's deadliest. Camels make deep moaning sounds that may resemble human cries. Before infant car seats were a major requirement, this was considered to be a safe and comfortable way for a baby to ride in a car. The warmest place in the vehicle was the rear engine, and the vibrations from the engine would help the baby fall asleep. Gorillas sing happy songs while they eat. They don't sing the same song every time, and they sing even louder while eating their favorite foods. A study found that tomatoes taste worse when they have been refrigerated. Just 1 cup of black coffee can burn calories and promote weight loss. Panasonic Orbital Television 1970. Bats take care of us. They are a big part of the reason why we can enjoy bananas, avocados, and tequila because their poop spreads seeds that help to pollinate at least 300 fruits. They also take care of each other because vampire bats will regurgitate blood for their bat neighbors who don't have any food. The Kentucky meat shower occurred on March 3, 1876 in Bath County, Kentucky when chunks of raw meat mysteriously fell from the sky for several minutes. The most accepted theory is that vultures regurgitated their food mid-flight, though the event remained unexplained. An open-air school in 1957 Netherlands at the beginning of the 20th century. A movement towards open-air schools occurred in Europe. Classes were taught in forest so that students would benefit physically and mentally from clean air and sunlight. Scientists put slime mold onto a model of a map of Tokyo with food representing urban centers. After a day, it created a network almost identical to Tokyo's actual rail network. Human designers created that network to be as efficient as possible. Slime mold did the same. Ever wondered why tires have grooves? They are not just for design, they are invisible safety shield. These patterns grip the road, channel water away, and keep your ride steady in rain, snow, and mud. Without them, wet roads turn into sliding hazards. Why eating too many mangoes in summer is not good for you? Mangoes are naturally sweet, but eating too many can increase blood sugar levels, which is not good for diabetics and can lead to weight gain. Mangoes are a heat producing fruit, meaning they can cause body heat, leading to issues like acne, pimples, and stomach discomfort. Overeating mangoes can lead to bloating, diarrhea, and indigestion because they are high in fiber and natural sugars. Some people may experience itching, rashes, or mouth irritation due to the urushiol present in mango peels and sap. Thanks for watching.